Hello, welcome back to Modelworks. This is Rod. In this video, we will show you a different process of making a scale model. Because in this project, we will make a 24 inches fiberglass model of the 1957 Ferrari 250 Testa Rossa. Yes, you heard it right. We will show you a whole fiberglass fabrication process. So stay tuned because this is just the first part where we will create the basic shape of the car from this polyurethane foam that we got from a broken refrigerator. Yes, we do recycle materials to at least lessen the environmental impact that we humans do to our nature. As you can see, we already started by preparing the blueprint that we will use, then simply cut the material to the right size. Next is we will mark the sides using a pencil and the blueprints that we prepared ahead of time. Now, watch closely as the carver do the process. Car fact, did you know that in 2014, an unrestored 1957 Ferrari 250 Testa Rossa was reportedly sold for over $39 million, making it the most expensive car ever sold in the United Kingdom. Imagine, with that sum of money, you can buy a 28 LaFerraris or roughly 128 F12 Berlinettas. Moving on, using this very sharp knife, the carver chips the material little by little to get it into shape. With the use of sandpaper, the polyurethane is being smoothened to get nearly as close to the shape as possible, so that for the next process, it will be much easier. So this method will be done again and again until we are satisfied with the shape. Now that we are almost done, I would like to mention that this project was made possible not only by Modelworks but with Fiberworks as well, a fiberglass fabrication company located in the Philippines that focuses on top quality yet affordable fiberglass fabrication, such as life-size figures, resort slides, swimming pools, advertising displays, furniture, aviation, and many more. So make sure to check out their website at www.fiberworks.com.ph. Going back, if you think there are pieces or parts that are still missing, don't worry because we will do a quality control first, then add them on the next process, which is the application of the fiberglass. So make sure you are subscribed to our channel for you to get a notification for the next upload. You may also like or comment on this video as well if you've enjoyed it. If not, it's okay. Thank you for watching this video. This is Rod. Have a great day.
Looking for the ultimate gift for a pilot, business executive, or aviation enthusiast, but you're frustrated where to look for? Don't worry, Modelworks got your back. We have custom scale models that are great for birthdays, retirements, occasions, or even promotions and trade show events. What? Remember, these are custom made, so it can be a military aircraft from his fleet, her favorite commercial airplane, or his private jet. Dial 1-844-8 models or visit www.modelworksdirect.com for inquiries.